This is Asus TUF gaming laptop. This laptop has come to me for repair. See, the issue in laptop is there is a password in BIOS. We have to remove this password. For this purpose, we want to reprogram the BIOS. This is the BIOS. Reprogram the BIOS, and BIOS is programming with the help of RT80F. Auto erasing process is now start. After erasing, now the programming process is start, and after programming it's complete with the help of verification, and we install this BIOS in motherboard. We are removing the password in this BIOS with the help of hex editor. This is the BIOS editing. We remove the BIOS, reprogram the BIOS, and now assemble the board. Now we power on. Before it's there is a BIOS password. Now password is removed now completely.